Hey folks, what's up? Welcome to TECLURE, where tech headaches come to chill out. Today, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT like a pro. If you're a YouTuber, content creator, or student, this one's for you. You'll learn how ChatGPT works and how to get the best results using smart prompts. Let's jump right in. Before going deeper, we should first understand what ChatGPT really is. ChatGPT is an AI tool made by OpenAI. It understands your text and replies like a human. You can use it to write scripts, create video ideas, summarize notes, or plan your content. It's like having a digital helper that never gets tired. But here's the secret. The results depend on how you ask. Now, to get the best results, and exactly what you want from ChatGPT, you need to understand prompt engineering. Prompt engineering means giving clear and smart instructions to ChatGPT. If you type, "Write a YouTube script," you'll get an average answer. But if you say, "Write a 1-minute YouTube script for a gaming channel," keep it funny and casual. Now, ChatGPT understands your tone, your goal, and your audience. That's how you get better, more human-like results. Don't worry. It's not something complicated or time-consuming. In fact, it's just about remembering 5 simple words: task, context, format, persona, tone, and audience. Rule 1, task. Tell ChatGPT exactly what you want. For example, write a video description. Rule 2, context. Give background info. For example, I make tech videos for YouTube. Rule 3, format. Tell how you want it. For example, write in bullet points or make it a YouTube script. Rule 4, persona. Tell it who to act like. For example, act like a professional YouTube scriptwriter. Rule 5, tone and audience. Tell how it should sound. For example, keep it friendly for beginners. The more details you give, the better the response. If you're still confused, let's understand it with 2 simple examples. For YouTubers, don't just say, "Write a title for my video." Instead say, "Write 5 catchy YouTube titles for a tech video about free AI tools." Keep them short and curiosity-based. You'll get professional titles ready to post. And if you want a video script, don't say, "Write a script for my tech video." Instead say, "Write a 1-minute engaging YouTube script for a tech channel about the best free AI tools." Make it friendly for beginners and easy to follow. Now ChatGPT will create a clear, audience-focused script ready to record. For students, don't say, "Explain photosynthesis." Instead say, "Explain photosynthesis like I'm a 10th grade student." Keep it short, simple, and use a real-life example. You'll get a clear and easy-to-understand answer. And if you're working on research, don't just say, "Write a research paragraph about climate change." Instead say, "Write a short, well-researched paragraph on climate change with 2024 references and in a formal academic tone." Now you'll get content that sounds professional and research-ready. Prompt engineering saves time and improves quality. You don't just use ChatGPT, you guide it. Think of it like talking to a smart assistant. The clearer your instructions, the smarter the results. Once you master this skill, you'll unlock ChatGPT's full power. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to TECLURE, and share your favorite ChatGPT tip in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.